Good afternoon. Good afternoon, everyone. Still, the students are joining the class. If you want any topic to be discussed in the class for the point of view of a annual exam, or any of the topic you want to discuss, you can tell me. No one is sending me any of the topic to discuss for. So, which topic you want to be discussed in our next class? Any topic which is problematic for you, you can tell me. I will prepare for that for the next class. We have sufficient time to prepare for. Just like this chapter, the human robot, you all are ready to appear for the test. If I will ask you to appear for the test, you will be well capable for that, because you all have made your own question answers. We have discussed all the hard words of the chapters, all the new words of the chapters. So Aditya is saying editing, Vaishnavi is saying types of sentences. Very good. So what difference between assertive and affirmative? Very good. So we will discuss the types of sentences in the next class, and you all should join the class. Okay, we will discuss it. Navya is saying that friends and flatterers, and that is chocolates in our dream too. Okay, perfect progressive tense. Very well. So we will discuss all these topics. जितने भी आज आपने कहे सबको हम एक शॉर्ट क्लास में कन्वर्ट करके परसों करेंगे उसको हम लोग. All the topics we will discuss in the single class. Linkers. Okay. Okay, Narayani. Linkers. Okay. आज आपका वाला ही क्वेश्चन हम लोग करेंगे. पिछली बार कुछ क्वेश्चंस छूट गए थे. That we will discuss it again in the class. So let's start. I don't think more students will come in the class. बहुत कम बच्चे आते हैं क्लास में. I think they all are well expert in English. That's why they don't want to attend the class. So first question is there. हम last page से इस बार शुरू कर रहे हैं. हाँ. How much steps did robot moved to have curio shop on its left? How many steps होगा यहाँ पे? How much steps नहीं होगा. How many steps? 30 steps. So can anyone tell me what is the difference between the uses of much and many? यहाँ पे much क्यों नहीं आएगा, many क्यों आएगा? Why many will come, not the much? Is there anyone who can tell? Okay, Atharv Kapil, very good. Very good, very good. Aditya, Vaishnavi, very good. So many comes with countable things. Why? Steps can be counted. So here many will come. How many steps did robot move to have curio shop on its left? It is 30 steps. Okay. Give the meaning for the term restlessly. Yes, much does not justify number. Very good, Shubhnarayan. So give meaning of the term restlessly. Okay, without any rest. Yes. Anything else? Anything continuously? Yes, very good. Continuously. Without stopping, without pausing. Okay. And next one, at a rest, nahi beta. At a rest, this is the opposite of restlessly. Restless hona, because it is he was not feeling rest. He was wandering, moving over here and there restlessly. Give the meaning for harshly. Okay, and kindly. Any other word for harshly? Badly, roughly. Very good. All these meanings describe this. अगर हम हर एक चैप्टर को इसी तरह से पढ़ें, then we will go through each and every word, each and every sentences. Okay, all the letters make a word, all the words make a sentence, and sentences make a paragraph. Okay, and paragraph is used to express our feelings and thoughts. Okay, next question. In which color did dim blue light turn flashing on Ram Singh's 070's body? Ram Singh 070's body. That is indigo. Indigo color. Very good. That is indigo. Very good. Kavish. Very good. Shubh Narayan. Okay. Indigo. That is Sanidhya Aditya. Very good. Next is he is diffused. He is dead. Who whispered it? He is diffused. He is dead. This was spoken by salesman. Okay. Next is where was Prem Chopra arrested from? We know the answer. This was the simplest one. Where was Prem Chopra arrested from? He was arrested from home. Very good. Next is, what were the movements of Ram Singh 070 after judge said, come on Ram Singh 070? What were the movements of Ram Singh 070 after judge said, come on Ram Singh 070? He started jerking his head left and right. Jerked his head. Okay. So next is, what was written on TV screen in the chest of Ram Singh 070? What was written on TV screen? System disintegrated. So it was written on the TV screen. Many of the answers has come to this time. बहुत सारे आंसर इस बार आए हैं. Very good. Next question is here. What was the headlines? यहाँ spelling mistake है. What was the headlines of the newspaper when Ram Singh 07 was called in court? It is common answer and it is one of the important questions also. So usko as it is, you will have to learn. As it is in the book, you will have to learn. Robot goes to court. This was the heading. Okay, if in the heading the diya hai, only then you will have to write the the. Okay, robot goes to court. If the is not written in the heading, you don't have to write that the. Okay. Next is, what was condition of court when Ram Singh 070 was in the witness box? It was overcrowded. This paper, whose paper is this? The writing is too good. बहुत सुंदर writing है and very neat and clean. It has written, but एक गड़बड़ है, बहुत काट खोट किया हुआ है इसमें. But the writing is very good. It was crowded. It was overcrowded. जितना crowd होना था उससे भी ज़्यादा crowded था. For what time duration does the robot can keep its memory? देखो यहाँ पे अब दो helping verb use कर लिया है. Does be and can be. It is not right sentence. Only one helping verb will be there. For what time duration does the robot keep its memory? Sorry. तो does लिखिए या can लिखिए. Any one helping verb you will have to use. So if you want to say that रख सकता है, then use can. If you want to say रखता है, then does. Okay, only one helping verb at a time. It is for a fortnight. Answer is fortnight. Next one is, it contains information of the previous week. Okay, previous week. Previous week means doesn't mean a fortnight. एक हफ्ते का, not fortnight. It can keep the memory of about a week. Okay. When does the case start after the incident? Again, look here. Does present tense दिखाता है और यहाँ पे started past tense. So which tense is this? Whose question is this actually? Can anyone? The student who has given this question, is he available in the class? He or she? Again, look here in question. does has been used. तो does से तो present हो जा रहा है और started भी लिखा हुआ है at the same time in the same question. It is telling that the question is in past. How it is possible present and past at the same time in the same question? So when does the case start after the incident? इसका मतलब हुआ incident के बाद case कब start होता है और कब start हुआ, then you will have to use when did. Okay, when did the case start? In both the case you don't have to write started in the question. Okay, the case started a fortnight after the incident. Very good. A fortnight after the incident. Very good, Riya. Sanidhya, very good. Next question. When does, oh sorry, we have dealt with this question. Next question. You may continue. Who ordered this statement? Counsel Goel? No. Judge. Judge ordered this statement. And who was ordered here? Who was ordered here? Counsel Goel. Now look at the meaning. First question है who ordered, तो ये active voice हुआ. Next है who was ordered, it means who was ordered means किसको order दिया गया. पहला है order किसने दिया, second है order किसको दिया गया. This is the difference between active and passive voice. So who ordered? Judge ordered. Who was ordered? Counsel Goel was ordered. उसको ऑर्डर दिया गया. तो काउंसिल गोयल को ऑर्डर दिया गया या राम सिंह 070 को ऑर्डर दिया गया, that you have to check. Okay, next one. Next page is over here. But here it is. Who was picked up immediately afterwards according to the date and time mentioned by the staff? Who was picked up immediately? Who was picked up immediately afterwards according to the date and time mentioned by the staff? Robot Ram Singh 070. Okay. Next is very good. Robot Ram Singh 070. Next. But still it is only a leading evidence to the crime committed. I am afraid that is not enough to convict. Who is I in this extract? Counsel Goel. Counsel Goel is I in this statement. Okay. What do you mean by convict? What do you mean by convict? To say. Okay. Okay. One more question is there from this extract I am going to put in front of you. And the question is, here it is written that, but still it is only a leading evidence. Which evidence is talked about here? Which evidence? अच्छा, इसका आंसर होगा the judge. Shubh Narayan is saying that I in this extract is judge. Okay, so match your answers. After the question, I will send you this PDF. Okay, and you can try your best. Now tell me, which leading evidence is discussed about here? Still, it is only a leading evidence to the crime. Which evidence has been discussed over here? Leading evidence, sabut. Stealing of Jade Ganpati. अंकित, आप क्या टाइप कर रहे हो बेटा? Synonym to the word vigor. Synonym to the word vigor. Very good. Shubh, very good. Atharv, good. Narayani, very good. So the answer is energy. Vigor means energy. Okay, Ankit, it happens. Don't worry. Next one is, what was displaying on a small TV screen in the center of Ram Singh's chest? Very good, Navya. That is system disintegrated. Athar, Meenal, Aditya, Sanidhya, Vaishnavi. Okay, Meenal, very good. Thank you. Ankita Nand, Shubh Narayan, very good. So, system disintegrated. Give a synonym, sorry, antonym. Give a antonym of the word dead. Very good, Athar. Very good, Narayani. So, live नहीं होगा वैष्णवी, it will be alive. Okay, it will be alive. Dead का antonym होगा alive. Another word for silence. Give another word for silence. Quiet. Very nice. So quickly you are answering. Very good, students. Who were stupefied and totally moved? Who were stupefied and totally moved? More than one person will be there. That's why the answer will be in word. Not only the jury, but many more persons were there who were stupefied and totally moved. The people, the audience, the jury, the counselors, the lawyers, all were stupefied and totally moved. You can also find out the meaning of totally moved. It is a phrase, totally moved. इसका भी meaning आप prepare करके रखना. Then all the words are from keywords, I think. So let's go to the previous question now. Here it is. Who is the author we have discussed? Name at least one book name in which Ira Saxena win award. At least one book's name in which Ira Saxena was awarded. Any one book in which Ira Saxena was awarded. Yes, The Virus Trap. Yes, next one is Manmoji Mamaji and Gazmukta Ki Talash. So these all are award-winning works of Ira Saxena. Next is of course, but I could not alter his programs. Give the meaning for alter. Very good, change. Disturb. Okay. Change or disturb. Who is I in this extract? Who is I in this extract? That is Prem Chopra. And whose program has been discussed over here? Whose program has been discussed over here? The program of Ram Singh 070. Okay. Okay, give the meaning of the word. What was the first question asked? Okay, what was the first question asked by Counsel Goel to Ram Singh in court? Which was the first question? The question which was asked by Counsel Goel to Ram Singh 070 in court. The first question. Who is your master? Yes, what is the name of your owner? Who is your master? Both the answers are same. Who is your master? What type of sentence is this? What type of sentence is this? Who is your master? Okay, very good. That is interrogative sentence. But if I am asking you what type of question is this? What type of interrogative question is this? Then what will you say? What type of interrogative? That is WH question. बहुत बढ़िया. Very good. I am clapping for all of you. Very good. Stop, reverse and play. Which type of sentence is this? Stop, reverse and play. First question came. Answer came. Shubh Narayan has answered. Very good. Which no author? Very good, Aditya. Any other answer? Vaishnavi, very good. We have to read only 3 to 4 sentences, types of sentences. This is imperative sentence. When we command, when we suggest, when we order, these all come in imperative sentence. We have to read 3 to 4 type of sentences. First is assertive and second one is imperative, then exclamatory and then interrogative. All these 4 sentences we have to read. और नाम से ही पता चल जाता है कैसे आप पढ़ने वाले हो. Okay, so be ready for all these question answers. Next is over here. Give a word for the person who sells old and expensive articles from the chapter. No, salesman is not the right answer. Who sells? Yes, Shubh Narayan. Curio dealers. The answer is curio dealers. The person who sells old and expensive articles is known as curio dealers. And the next one is, what was the name of the government council? What was the name of that government council? That was Goel. Okay. Next is, what was the phenomenon that people never heard before? What was the phenomenon that people have never heard before? Yes. Narayani, right one. A robot was going to appear in court. That was the phenomenon. That was the incident. Okay. That people had never heard before. जो लोगों ने कभी नहीं सुना था. Now look at the question. What was the phenomenon that people never heard? लिखा है इसमें. हम क्या लिखेंगे यहाँ पे? What was the phenomenon that people had never heard before? What does it mean? कि लोगों ने क्या नहीं सुना था जो अभी हुआ था. Okay. Name the other word for witness box from the chapter. Other word for witness box. Yes, very good, Aditya. Vaishnavi, Riya, very nice. That is prosecution box. Okay. How the victims were suffering according to Counsel Goel. Counsel Goel told Robert Ramsing 070 that due to your act, due to your hiding of the truth, many of the people are suffering. How they were suffering? They were suffering financially. Okay, financially. Okay. Next one. Next one is, in which color dim blue light turned into? That is indigo. I have asked it earlier also. Okay. Next is, uh, what was red color signaling? What was the signal that red color was giving? That is danger. It was about the danger. Red color was signification of the danger. Where were shutters located? Where were shutters located? On the chest of Ramsing 070. Yes, here the extract has been given. Someone else seems to have tampered with Ramsing 070 system. Who is the speaker? Yes. Now tell me the meaning of tampered. Give the meaning for tampered. Very good, Shubhnarayan. You have given some more meaning for altered. That is also suitable for the meaning of tampered over here. Yes, that was disturbed. When I had asked you the meaning of altered, Subnarayan has answered disturbed. So it is also the meaning of tempered. Okay. What is the occupation of Mr. Goel? He was a counselor. Okay. He was a lawyer. He was an advocate. Okay. Next one. Which is a conjunction here in this sentence? Counsel Goel cleared his throat and reached closer to the judge. Conjunction. Which one is the conjunction here? Very good. Very good. All the answers are right. Conjunction is and over here. And is used as conjunction over here. Okay. Rekho, this question paper has been prepared by Meenal. She has typed the question. Very good. Who is the author of the chapter The Human Robot? Ira Saxena writes stories in English and which language? Yes, all the answers are right in Hindi. Okay, I will provide you with this, the PDF of this chapter. All these question answers I will provide you with after this class. Okay, and one more thing, whatever you have told me to discuss in the next class, I will prepare that for you for the next class. Okay, next, who was pleaded guilty in the end of story? That was Prem Chopra. And one more way we can ask this question, and the way is that how was Prem Chopra feeling at the end of the story? At the end, how was he feeling at the end of the story? So he was feeling guilty. Okay, he pleaded guilty. Who is जो question number 10 has been written over here. Instead of that question, we can ask that who is the sacrificing personality in this chapter? Whose personality is of a sacrificing in this chapter? That is a robot. Robot Ram Singh 070. His personality was of a sacrificing person. Okay, he has behaved like a human being. जैसा human being को करना चाहिए था, that was done by that robot. So, who is more human in this chapter? This is also one of the questions of your exercises. So, who is more human in this chapter? That is robot. Robot is more human in this chapter. So the questions are same here. From where was Prem Chopra arrested? Who asked why did you buy a robot at first place? Which part of Ram Singh's body could? Yes. This is the new one. Which part of Ram Singh's body could reveal all the required information? Which part of Ram Singh's body could reveal all the required information? That is, yes. Very good, Shubhnarayan, Aditya, Navya. That is memory tape. Very good, Vaishnavi. Narayani, very good. So, meaning of anticipated we have discussed earlier. Who is your master? Which type of sentence is this? So, we have discussed it earlier. So, let's move to the next question paper. This one. देखते हैं कुछ नया है इसमें. From where did Ram क्वेश्चन का पैटर्न नहीं आप लोग ठीक से लिखते हो. फ्रॉम वेयर डिड प्रेम चोपड़ा अरेस्ट? फ्रॉम वेयर वॉज प्रेम चोपड़ा अरेस्टेड हो सकता है. व्हाट डज प्रेम चोपड़ा डन? अब देखो अगेन डज के साथ डन लगाया हुआ है. व्हाई डिड यू बाय रोबोट इन द फर्स्ट प्लेस विद द स्पीकर? वी हैव डन इट. वेयर डिड द स्पीकर आस्किंग द क्वेश्चन? फ्रॉम वेयर? आफ्टर डीलिंग व्हाट ही रीच्ड क्लोजर. Why did the court was overcrowded? Pattern of question is not good. I have explained many a time how to make a question. यहाँ did लगाया है तो यहाँ ed कैसे आ गया? Again, what did Prem Chopra trust in Ram Singh? This was also not readable. Meaningful sentence क्या होता है? This is a group of words which can be understandable, which can be clear in meaning, which could be making a sense, complete sense. तो जो चीज समझ में नहीं आता, that is not the sentence, that is not the language. How did Prem Chopra release until the court? Yes. How did Prem Chopra release? Released again लिख दिया है. How did Prem Chopra release until the court hearing after his arrest? On bail. Yes, he was released on bail. अब नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, whom did प्रेम चोपड़ा give होगा यहाँ पे. whom did प्रेम चोपड़ा give his stolen articles to dispose cleverly? whom did प्रेम चोपड़ा give? to his gang. This extract has been taken by many of the students. Why did you buy a robot? Okay, let's move to the next one. Next is over here. How much time? Who is the speaker of this line? Who is the listener? What were the headlines? We have learned it. Read it. We have done all these question answers. I think these are repeated questions. Let's move ahead. These all questions are repeated. Mostly questions are repeated. Which principle did Ram Singh break? He broke third principle. Yes, he has broken third principle. Okay. Who ordered Ramsing 070 to recall the activities of last 6 days? Who ordered? Council Goel ordered. Here one extract has been given. If you will come along to the office, I will explain to you its Ramsing's functions and give you the manual, etc. Who is the speaker? Who is the speaker? That is salesman. Check the spelling. All of you, Ankit, spelling check karo beta. Salesman ka. Whom he is talking to? Whom he is talking to? He is talking to Prem Chopra. Very good. And whose functions and manuals are discussed over here? That is Ramsing 070. Can anyone tell me the meaning of manual? Meaning of manual. What is the meaning of manual? Manual means instructor, helpful instructor you can say. Manual. Yes, features भी कह सकते हो आप लोग. Features in written form. Okay, that should be guide. It is like a guide. It is a guide. Okay, it tells us how to make use of that Ramsing 070 robot. So manual means I think you all would have learned it. So the class can be over at any time. I will send you the PDF and I will prepare